Catamounts. Got a pair of UNC 6s, Carolina 6s, however you want to say it. Been brought to me today to repaint that midsole. As always, some parts aren't as bad as others, but it needs to be repainted. Of course, the upper is suede or nubuck, whatever you want to say. I'm going to do a deep clean on that also, but the main reason is because of the cracking on the midsole. As you can see, got a little scuffs on the suede. It's a little hard to see because it's black, but see that midsole. Get that repainted today for my boy. Like I said earlier, always cracking. Get these little scuffs out. Try to at least on the back. Like I said earlier, cracking and marks varies. It's always different on each shoe. They never crack in the same spot, and one shoe can crack, the other shoe won't. There we go, right there. Little scuffs there. I mean, it's not that bad. It's just the inside, and I don't know how the inside got done like that. It's not cracking and stuff, so it's been like scraped off. But anyways, yeah. Gonna paint the midsole on these. Do a little cleaning on the suede, and I'll be back with finished product. Back, finished product, midsole repaint, a few scuff removals. It's kind of hard when it's suede and it gets marked up because it's like it's removing the suede, but couldn't really take too many of those marks off. But midsole repaint went smooth like always. Baby blue, my favorite color to paint. So yeah, easy job, knocked it out. Been done for a couple days. Just had to work on a few other shoes. But like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.